Hey, what's up, everybody? I got a '01 Chevy Monte Carlo. I got the damn security popping up. I've done everything that I could possibly try. It says low fuel, but I got like 140 something. It's not reading. There's like 100 and something on there. I also got the error thing with the light on. Sometimes it actually turns off and it blinks. I've turned off the. Before I did this, I turned off the anti-lock on the thing. I hold this, I seek it, and then I go to off and I do all that bullshit. Um, I've turned the key to on and I've left it there for 10 minutes, turned it off, waited 30 seconds, and then tried to turn it on. That didn't work. I called a locksmith and he told me to lock the car, wait 30 seconds, put the key into on for 30 seconds, and then try to turn it on. That didn't work. I've tried to take out the BCM fuse, I believe, and try to start it that way. That didn't work. My only last options are to take it to the GM and let them do their thing. The locksmith also plugged in that fancy computer and tried to reset it. He couldn't do it. If you guys got any other ideas, let me know. I'm thinking about taking out the stereo completely and try to turn it on like that. Um, it's a good car. There's nothing wrong with it except the stupid ass security shit. Let me know what works, man. I've been watching all these videos and I feel like they're lying. Just tell me what the hell's wrong with it.